This stylish induction hob from Samsung is an incredible choice if you want a model with smart technology to help you get creative in the kitchen. There are 4 induction zones for safe and responsive cooking that can accommodate pans of different sizes, perfect whether you're cooking a little or a lot. Samsung's virtual flame technology uses innovative LED lighting to let you know when your induction hob is on. A row of LED lights at the front of the cooking zone glow like real gas flames when your hob is activated. And the higher the heat, the higher the flames will glow. So you'll always know when your hob is turned on, meaning you can cook delicious meals in complete safety. This model's smart auto connectivity function allows your cooker hood and hob to work together to keep your kitchen steam-free. Using a wireless connection, your hob adjusts the cooker hood's fan speed automatically based on your cooking settings. This means when you add or remove pans from the hob, the cooker hood will change its performance to match. So, whether you're preparing a small snack or a dinner for 2, the air in your kitchen will always be perfectly clean and clear. If you're looking for a model with smart technology to help you get creative in the kitchen, this eye-catching induction hob from Samsung is designed for you.